Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I'm getting ready to make some air fried naked wings in my very new air fryer. It's called the EdenPeer. And I made a video of it, the first look video. So this is my second time cooking in it. I made a steak and I haven't put that video up yet. It's a real short video. But anyway, let me lower this and show y'all what I'm working with. Here's the chicken that I got up at like 6 in the morning, washed it and cut it into sections. These are wings. And I marinated them. They've been marinating for a long time. So I'm just going to add extra pepper and put them in here. Let me plug this in. This is the EdenPeer 6-quart air fryer. And the reason I bought it is because of this. It has a large basket. Look at this huge thing. Alright. So, these are naked wings, so I'm not going to put any oil. And I'm cooking right in the basket itself. I'm not using a crisper plate or anything. So I got a lot of wings. I'm supposed to cook a lot of wings in here. So we're going to see. I'm giving them space. I'm putting them right on the pan itself. This little bitty piece. This is a wing, y'all. The drumhead. It'll be shame of itself. Because I'm fixing all these wings. Because what we don't eat today will be good the next day. I don't know how many pieces this is so far. But this is the long tray of wings. This wing don't look to my liking. Throw that away. Wash my hand. $27 wing pieces. Some more pepper. And y'all know the seasonings I usually use on all my food. I got that on these wings. Okay. Put this big old tray up in here. Put it out. From the wall. The controls are on the top. So this is the Is it power? And I'm going to press menu. I'm going to press menu. And I'm going to put it on the frozen pizza setting. Because then it will read 430 degrees Fahrenheit for 11 minutes. So I'm going to look at, check it after that. I just turned it on. You see the light? It'll go off after a while and it'll come back on. And it's not really loud. You can hear it, but it's not loud. Okay. And this is supposed to be 5 inches from the wall, this way, that way, and up above the cabinet. So, I will be back. Okay, y'all. These wings, they cook for 11 minutes. We're gonna see. Okay, I want them a little more cooked and more crispy than this. So I'm gonna put them in for another 11 minutes. And I failed to mention that this also has a bottom heating element. Top and bottom. So, let me start this again. Menu. I'm putting it back on fresh. What did I put it on? Fresh pizza. So that's 430 degrees Fahrenheit for another 11 minutes. So it's on. I'm learning this air fryer. But I like that I don't have to open the drawer to see how the food is doing. Because the light comes on and then it goes off. I got some string beans and potatoes cooking on the stove. Okay, well I'll be back. Okay, my chicken has 2 minutes and 33 seconds left. I want to show y'all these salads I made. Put them in these mason jars. Oh, it's hard to open. They stay fresher. Show you what I got in here. I made 2. So I got onion. I got the little tiny baby cucumbers. I got tomato. And I got my sweet and spicy pickles. It's so good, y'all. I didn't need all them lettuce leaves and stuff. This kind of salad I like. It's really, really good. And you stay fresh in these jars. And this kind of salad dressing I'm going to use on this. The zesty Italian. And it's the light. So I have this with some string beans and my chicken. Now you can season, you can put this on meat. Season it nicely. Put these up. Check my chicken. Let's see. Light is back on. I have to wait till the light come back on. I didn't look fast enough. This is pretty quiet. I feel warm air blowing out the back of it. Okay, looks good. So we got 25 seconds. I'm not going to put it on no platter or anything. Leave it right in here. 12 seconds, 11 seconds, 10 seconds. There you go, it's done now. Okay, it says end, so it's through cooking. And it blows for a few seconds after it's through cooking. I guess it's cooling down. The fan is still running, so it's cooling down. Let's see how long it takes to stop. Okay, didn't take long. It stopped. Unplug it. Put this cord over here. It has like a 2-foot cord. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Let me try the back of it, because I didn't flip them. Okay. Brown. Crispy. Okay, I don't know what all this is. Okay, this is still yellow. That's kind of brown. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna eat it, and it's gonna taste good. I'm gonna enjoy it. So let me take this off of here. This is my first time air frying chicken in my EdenPeer air fryer. I mainly wanted it because of this big old basket, and I didn't use the crisper plate or anything. I didn't use the thing that came with it. I put it right in there. It has a top and a bottom heating element, and it goes up to 430 degrees if you put it on the pizza setting. Okay. I want to take the thumbnail with this halfway in there. Let's see. This is the EdenPeer 6-quart air fryer. It's the unique air fryer. They have another air fryer. It looks like the regular shaped air fryers, but this one got the big basket. That's how my plate looks. Oh, it's steaming up. Everything's piping hot. Got my salad, my spring beans and potatoes, and my air fried naked wings. Flats. Okay, y'all, I'm about to eat a wing. It's piping hot. Cook this in my new air fryer. Crispy. And flip it over. It's good. Some of the pieces didn't get brown on the other side. They browned some, but not like this piece. I can get crispy naked wings. And this thing holds a lot. So, I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on my wings. But they're well seasoned, nice and crispy like I like them. Good. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.